how to rickroll someone on Discord. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now this is actually super easy to do. All we basically have to do in the first place is copy the link of the rickroll video, of course. So we're just going to scroll a bit down, and then right here you can see the original video. So we're just going to click on the three dots right there, click share, then copy link. Now we have copied the link, and we're going to go over back over to Discord. And then what you want to do is, instead of pasting the link and sending it, because as you can see, you will see a preview, and then people won't click on it, of course, because they know that it's the rickroll video. So what you want to do instead is add an arrow to the left, then paste the link, then add another sort of like arrow to the right, or I don't really know what the symbol is called, but just do what I just did. Add this one right there and that one right there, and then send it. And because of that, the preview, there's like no preview. There's only the link, and they'll be like, hey yo, it's a YouTube video, let me click on it. Then they'll click on it, and yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can rickroll someone on Discord. It's as easy as that. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.